Hellcat 0 to 60, inside Dodge's lightning acceleration. The Dodge Hellcat is one of the fastest muscle cars on the planet. But just how quick is it really in a 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint? In this video, we'll break down the Hellcat's actual acceleration numbers and see how it stacks up against the competition. Info. The standard Hellcat can hit 60 miles per hour in around 3.5 seconds with a top speed of 199 miles per hour, according to Dodge. The more powerful Hellcat Red Eye has been clocked doing 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds with a 203 miles per hour top speed. Real-world tests by magazines like Car and Driver have recorded 0 to 60 times closer to 3.6 or 3.7 seconds. Factors like road conditions, weather, and driver skill impact actual acceleration times. The Hellcat excels off the line but can't match the handling and track abilities of pricier supercars. It faces tough competition from cars like the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 and Chevy Camaro ZL1 1LE. While actual times vary, there's no doubt the Hellcat is one of the quickest accelerating muscle cars money can buy. But suspension tweaks and weight reduction could make it even faster. Want to learn more? Visit our website 0-60acceleration.com for a full guide on Hellcat performance specs and mods. Link in the description.